Hey there everyone, it's me, David. Just making this small video to give you a update on where I am with the Lanos project. As you can see here, I have remodeled, refitted the physics. I've based the car on the Einwagen, so the physics, I had to make some small alterations to the physics blocks. So yeah, that's all one thing done. The other thing that has been done is of course the car. Yeah, I can tell you right now I cannot drift for shit, so never mind that, but let me just fix the car. Okay, here we go. Yeah, that's the other thing that I have to constantly fix. That's the wheels that keep tucking in and all that crap. So yeah, this always takes a lot of time. But anyways, here we are. What is new with the car? Well, what I have done is I've added new bumpers. Those are the sort of like El Cheapo kind of things, which cannot be spray painted. These are just standard plastic bumpers. They're a bit cheaper than the normal bumpers. Have a bit slightly lower value. So yeah, I thought that would be nice to have. The wheels, I've resized them, and they are 17-inch right now, in combination with the stretched sport tire. It's looking mighty good, so I'm happy with that. I have the paintable open mesh grill. That's just the the final option that I wanted to have with this whole thing. Yeah, like that. That's okay. So the grill has been done. I have not redesigned any new parts except for fart cannon muffler. Just made that quick thingy. It's, in all honesty, it's the muffler number 12, but made it a bit high poly and retexturized it. So yeah, that's all good. As you can see, the Nissan engine fits, but I have to script it a bit lower. But yeah, it's looking okay. Have to do some things with the battery though, because yeah, that's not nice, not nice enough of a fit. So yeah, but that's where it is with the car right now. Oh yeah, I forgot. I still have to rename some parts, and let me just yeah, rename some parts and all that good stuff. So then we will be done. Let me just advance the time, and if we take it out for a spin or whatever, as you can see, the lights are glowing. So what have I done? I've added the fog lights, and yeah, the fog lights are working. And they do not only fit the El Cheapo front bumper, as I've called it, but the standard bumper. I've changed it as well. I've removed the fog light from there, so they're working. And the other thing that I've done, because it has the Nissan engine and the drive has been set to the back, so it's rear-wheel drive, I have to engage the steering. Let me just get a clearer view for you. I've changed the amount of steering angle. So yeah, that's a healthy portion of steering lock, I would say. So yeah, that's where I am with the project at this moment. Oops. Yeah, just one fog light, why not? So yeah, I've been driving around with this chassis for a bit. What I still want to do is have some unpaintable mirrors and a rear hatch wing, like the SXI version has, or had, I should say. Oh yeah, the other thing that I've changed is the sills, because the front wing, as you can hopefully see from the small pictogram, oh well, it used to be like the sill was just one piece and we had the skirt that was going over it, and the thing is, the way it was that I've had the bottom portion in black and the wing was basically up until here, not below. Yeah, but I didn't want to have to be dependent on the skirts all the time, so when I had my Lanos SXI, it did not have skirts or whatever. It was just basically this. So that's what I wanted to have. Yeah, basically everything is done, I think. Um, Not too many parts. Maybe I'm going to get the sport bumpers, give them the same treatment with the fog lights as well. Yeah, we have a carbon hood, so I don't know what else to do. Maybe if I'm able to um, get some sort of like paintable textures going on. I'm not sure. It has been a mighty long time for me since I came back to this game, but maybe I will do the emblems as well, just to remove them. Um, I don't know. If you have some ideas, let me know. I'm still busy with this project. We're well underway, but yeah, I'm running out of ideas, so to speak. So if you have any ideas, you can always hit me up on Discord or leave it in the comments. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.